It's better. I had no expectations, but it's better than anything I could have dreamed
I
up.
had high expectations. I've got a pretty good imagination. I'm pretty creative, and it blows away anything that I could have ever dreamed. When this turned into a cottage, instead of a little tiny mine thing, it was just like, okay, hold on, because we're in for a really fun adventure. So, and it has been. It's been spectacular. And I haven't even seen the mine yet, or the cottage.
The grotto.
Or whatever it is.
Whatever it is, somewhere to hang out. Let's touch back on that cottage, because I think there was a story behind it. Wasn't there like a little bit of questioning about what is this? Is this going to interrupt the sunset? I mean, I think there were tears involved. Would you take us through that?
His tears.
Well, it looked a little tall and it looked a little wide, and from the house it looked like it was going to block our view.
No, I came in the garage door and tried to look out my kitchen window, and all I saw was this
Plywood. She saw plywood.
Structure, and I said, I don't think this is gonna work. Has anyone seen it from inside? Because I kind of like my
Al,
snow globe
you come in
view.
here and look out this window and tell me if you would do this.
No, we stewed on it all night a little bit. It's like, oh gosh, I don't want to interrupt the creativity of it, but it really is kind of huge. And so I finally called him. I said, you've got to say something.
So, and once we talked about it, and once you get the finished materials on it, it was plywood. Plywood's just ugly, no matter where you put it, right? So it was like, no, let's think about the stones and the cottage and the slate roof and the curves.
We
and
didn't even know it was going to be a cottage. We thought it was a big mine, though, with this weird roof that was 5 feet overhanging everything.
So there was a moment.
There was a moment where we went,
But after talking with Al, I was like, it's all going to be good. Let's just keep rolling. And I told him, don't change a thing. Don't change a thing, because whatever you're going to do is going to be amazing. And
I think we should recreate the moment when you told me that.
Yeah, you should recreate it. I'm on board.
I'm not sure that
I think it went like this. I saw the plants. It's good. That's my recreation. It's very sweet. The dog's making fun of you. Oh, are you comforting him? Yeah.
Well, just to know how much it's going to mean to Laurie.
It's an
Not
ultimate
me.
present.
To Laurie.
But I think it is. That's a part of it. I mean, you're giving me something so amazing and fabulous, and Disney is not exactly your thing, but Disney's my thing. I love Disney. I didn't get to go until we got married on our honeymoon. I always wanted to go as a kid, and we took our kids there. It was really the only vacation we took to Florida, because we had 5 kids in 6 years. There was not a lot of money to go around. So it became just our fun, place that we could hang out and be a family. And it was a sacrifice for us. And this pool, and we just feel so fortunate to be able to do something that's not a rectangular, and do something so magical and amazing that our kids and our grandkids and friends are gonna take part of. So it is like, Kevin built a beautiful house that I got to design, and now this pool is just like the ultimate cherry on top. And I'm super blessed to have a partner that will give me my huge closet and Disney pool. So it is really, we just are very blessed and grateful.
Really?
Really what?
You had to do this to me.
Who makes everybody cry? Is it Barbara Walters or something? Like Barbara Walters.
It's Katie Curtis, apparently.